Mic check 1 2 1 2. 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 Yeah, what is going on, guys? This is your boy Scout Sniper back again with another video. Just wanted to quickly show you one of the trades that I missed this week. Here we're looking at the dollar index. As you can see, we have some relatively equal highs over here. Relatively equal highs, so just ignore everything that is on the right. We are focusing here. This is the buy side liquidity. And below this we have the sell side. Here the sell side was taken out by this. Now we have liquidity just resting below this area. We have the sell side resting below here. Let me quickly label it. I sure hope this thing is recording. Yeah. I had my eye on this area. When price was here, I knew that here we had a break of structure and price came back into this area to offer to balance this. This is a buy side, sell side inefficiency. So price came back to close this gap. And here you were supposed to take a trade here. And your exit point would be above this level. As you can see, what went down, it went exactly as I predicted. Now I just want to show you something, guys, for those that are interested in learning how I do this every day. I've just took a little time to write a little book, and now the book is now on eBay. For those of you that want to get the book and read about how to take these kind of trades, it is all there in the book. Just head down to eBay, look for the book. It's only $11, guys. $11. It's in a PDF format. When you pay, I mail it to you, whether through email, I can send via WhatsApp. And yeah, that's all I needed to share with you guys. This book will help you a lot. It has everything outlined, how I take my trades, things to look for when you take trades. Scout Sniper Trading Journal. Go get yourself a copy, guys. There's 50 that I'm selling right now. So, peace out.